My beloved, do not ignore this message. God has something extraordinary for you today, something meant just for you. If you are ready to receive this blessing, listen carefully to these words. If they touch your heart, type Amen at the end. My dear child, you are precious beyond measure. Before the foundation of the world, I knew you. I formed you with my own hands and breathed life into you. You are not an accident, nor are you forgotten. I see you, I know you, and I love you deeply. Hear these words today, for they come straight from my heart to yours. Type 1101 if you believe in divine alignment. You are on the brink of something amazing. The doors I am opening for you, no one can shut. The blessings I have prepared for you are far greater than anything you have imagined. But you must trust me. Walk by faith, not by sight. Though you may not see the entire path, know that every step is ordered by me. I have given you authority. Within you lies the power to speak life, to create, to overcome. The enemy may whisper lies of doubt, but my voice will always speak truth. I say, you are strong, you are victorious, you are chosen for such a time as this. Do not shrink back in fear, stand tall in faith. My child, I know your struggles. I see the battles you fight in silence, the pain that no one else understands. I understand. Every tear you have shed, I have counted. Every prayer you have whispered, I have heard. And I promise you this, I am working all things together for your good. Type Amen if you believe in divine restoration. Do not be discouraged by the delays. My timing is perfect. What seems like a setback is actually a setup for something greater. I am preparing you for the blessing I have in store. The waiting is not in vain. It is strengthening you, refining you, molding you into who I created you to be. Doors are opening for you even now. Opportunities you never expected will come your way. What was blocked will be unblocked. What was lost will be restored. But you must have faith. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. Type breakthrough if you are ready for a new season. Let go of the burdens you were never meant to carry. You are not alone in this journey. I am your strength when you are weak, your light in the darkness, your peace in the storm. Cast your worries upon me, and I will give you rest. My beloved, never doubt your worth. The world may try to define you, but remember this. You are mine. Your value is not based on what others say, but on the price I paid for you. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. Walk in that truth today. Type victory if you are ready to walk in divine favor. Be mindful of the people you allow in your life. Not everyone is meant to go with you into the next season. Some relationships will fall away, but do not mourn what I have removed. What I take away, I replace with something greater. Trust me. You are stepping into a season of acceleration. No more delays, no more stagnation. What took years to accomplish will now happen in a moment. Keep your faith strong, for I am moving suddenly in your life. The enemy has tried to stop you, but he cannot succeed. Every attack was designed to take you down, but I have turned it around for your good. What was meant for harm will be used for your testimony. The battle is not yours, it is mine. Type victory if you believe I am fighting for you. Do not let fear control you. Fear is a liar. It whispers that you are not enough, that you will fail, that you are alone. But hear my voice. You are more than enough. You are already victorious. I will never leave you, nor forsake you. Type fearless if you are stepping out in faith. Your season of struggle is ending. A season of joy, peace, and prosperity is upon you. You are about to experience an overflow of blessings, spiritually, emotionally, and financially. Keep moving forward. I have seen your faithfulness, and I will reward you. You did not give up when things were hard. You kept believing when the answers did not come. You remained steadfast when others walked away. Because of your faith, I am opening the floodgates of heaven for you. My beloved, share this message with others. There are those who need to hear these words. Be a light, be an encouragement. Let your life be a testimony of my goodness. If this message touched you, type Amen and share it with 3 people. Life is not an accident. You are on a divine assignment, and every experience you've had, good or bad, has shaped you for what's ahead. My child, do not doubt your worth. Do not let the enemy whisper lies into your heart. I have set you apart, and I have anointed you for greatness. You may feel weary, burdened, or even lost. But hear me now. I am with you. I have not left you. Even in the silence, I am working. Even in the waiting, I am preparing something greater than you can imagine. Hold on, for your breakthrough is near. There are storms in life, seasons of uncertainty, pain, and confusion. But listen closely. The storm is not here to destroy you. It is here to prepare you. Do not be afraid, for I am with you. Do not be discouraged, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Isaiah 41:10. You may feel like the waves are too high, that the wind is too strong, and that your boat is about to sink. But, my child, I have built you to withstand the storm. I have given you my spirit, the same power that raised Jesus from the dead lives inside of you. Hold on, you are about to witness a miraculous turnaround. Type 555 if you receive this promise. I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. What you have been praying for is already on its way. The doors that were closed will open. The opportunities that seemed impossible will come to pass. The dreams that felt too big will become reality. I am making a way for you, even where there seems to be no way. No more delays, no more setbacks. This is your season of breakthrough. This is your season of answered prayers. The enemy tried to stop you, but he failed. Type, I claim it. If you receive this breakthrough, be still and know that I am God. Psalm 46:10. You don't have to figure everything out. You don't have to carry this weight alone. Let go and trust me. I have already gone before you, preparing the way. I see what you do not see. I know what you do not know. Trust in my timing, for it is perfect. Your waiting is not wasted. I am aligning things in your favor. I am bringing the right people into your life and removing the wrong ones. Everything is falling into place according to my plan. To the one who is hurting, I see your pain. I see the tears you cry in secret. I know the weight you carry in your heart. But my child, healing is coming. Restoration is coming. I am turning your mourning into joy, your sorrow into laughter, your pain into purpose. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Psalm 147:3. You will rise again. You will smile again. You will love again. This chapter of pain is not the end of your story. I am writing something beautiful out of your brokenness. Give, and it will be given to you. A good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over, will be poured into your lap. Luke 6:38, prepare yourself, because I am releasing a flood of blessings into your life. Financial doors are opening. New opportunities are being unlocked. Debts are being canceled. You will not struggle forever. You are stepping into a season of divine provision. I have loved you with an everlasting love. I have drawn you with unfailing kindness. Jeremiah 31:3. My child, you are loved. Not because of what you do, but because of who you are. Nothing can separate you from my love. Not your past, not your mistakes, not your fears. You are mine, and I will never let you go. When the world turns its back on you, I remain. When you feel unworthy, I call you worthy. When you feel unloved, I remind you, you are my beloved, my masterpiece, my treasure. Type love. If you receive this, Forget the former things. Do not dwell on the past. I am doing a new thing. Isaiah 43:18. 19. Stop looking back. Stop replaying. The pain, the regret, the disappointment. The past is behind you. The future I have for you is far greater than anything you are leaving behind. Let go of guilt. Let go of shame. Let go of fear. I am calling you forward into a new beginning. Type new beginning if you are ready for a fresh start. A final blessing for you. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. Numbers 6:24-26. My child, your best days are ahead. Walk in faith. Walk in confidence. Walk in my love. Nothing can stop the blessings I have in store for you. If this message has touched your heart, type Amen and share this with 3 people who need to hear it.